Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with my Creative Times 163rd edition release, and she is also celebrating 16 years of being in business, and it's her birthday month. Her birthday is actually on Mother's Day. Anyways, she will be releasing a few items today, and we're going to start off with the Birthday Fairy Wishes. That's the ephemera for this month, and I believe you can see everything there. There's 10 of these little ladies, and they are just adorable. And of course, I'm going to put some glitter on mine. Anyway, so I hope you can see all of those. And then let's get into the papers. Okay, so let's get into these papers. Remember, there are 6 patterns and 4 of each design. And so we have some tiny roses. And there goes the first pattern on the back, little polka dots. And this one has flowers as well, and also a little bit of script behind that. Hopefully you can see that. And then there goes the pattern on the back side of that one. And these are all tiny patterns on here. And there goes some more flowers with yellow polka dots, or white polka dots on yellow paper. Love this one. Tiny little butterflies. That'll go perfect with the release she had last month with those tiny butterflies. Love the colors. And then have like a little blue hint to this one with white polka dots. And then this has bows, which they go perfectly with the bows that she also released last month. And there goes the back side of that. And then this one has tiny flowers, and then a really light color like ivory. And so those are all of the papers there. So she's also releasing 2mm and 4mm flat back pearls, and these are tiny. That 2mm is so tiny. And then she has the 4. I love those, and remember, you can always color these up too, so they're just perfect. And some of them has like a gold, like a gray hint, and then an ivory hint to them. Then we have the cute card scallop layers, so this will go with the cute card dies, and so this will be perfect. Love these. And then this is something new for Miss Emma. She has Fun Waterfall album, so you will be able to make a mini album with this, and it has extra pieces on the back side. And we also have some new party banner dies, and so you'll be able to use those, as well as the party cake dies. Love this, really cute. And scoops of fun dies, so we have ice cream cone. And then last but not least, we have the Fairy Special Delivery Stampin' Dies. And so let's bring that up a little bit more close. Hopefully you can see that. And then that comes with the dies as well. So let's get into what I use to create everything. Scattered Dots 2026, Cute Card Stitched Heart Layers, Round Oval Dies, Tiny Bows Butterfly Plate Die, Crisscross Card Dies, Cute Bow Dies, Alphabet Dies, 5x5 Card Die Layers, 3.75 by 4.75 layers, 3.75 by 4.75 card base dies, small flower dies, rectangle frame die layers, cute card base die, bunch of fun circles, 3.75 by 4.75 envelope die, and last but not least, Pastel Party 2026. Starting out, I want to get into this beautiful card here. This is probably my favorite. Love the pastel colors. And then I did use that 3.75 by 4.75 card base layer for that. The stitched rectangle layers for this one. And of course, I did add the glitter to all of my little images there, including that little fairy there. Isn't she adorable? See that sparkle on there? And then I pulled out the butterflies from last month and then added some little gems in there, the half back gems. And then I also added them on the paper. And then I used that butterfly paper. Love that butterfly paper. It's so colorful, so pretty. And I just absolutely love it. And then I put that 3.75 by 4.75 layer in the inside too. Love this. So pretty. Set this over here. Okay, let's jump into the next card here, which is the Scoops of Fun die. And that's where you get the ice cream cone. Love it. And as soon as I seen it, I knew I wanted to make some chocolate drip coming down off the ice cream. But I'll show you that in just a second. Why don't we talk about this card a little bit? So I use her embossing folder from last month, as well as the round oval dies. Love that. I did add glitter to all of my images, including the little fairy again. And then I just put that cherry on top. You're probably wondering, where did I get that chocolate drip from? I'll show you that in just a second. Wishing You Sweet Smiles from her stamp set that she released. Love it, so cute. And then there goes the inside there where I used that rectangle layer dies. But let me show you how I created that drip on the ice cream. So here is what I did. I used the party cake die, and I used the bigger frosting from there, and then pulled out the Scoops of Fun, and I got this image from there. So you just cut out this in chocolate, take this and just layer it right up, and I put it like right there, just like that. And after I cut it out, then I ran it through with this one. And that's how I got my little chocolate on there. And I love doing that. Love trying to use my dies for more things, of course. But that's a cute little card. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. And then let me show you this one here. So she got another layer for the cute card dies, which is the scallop layer back there. So that's where I used that. And look at all that sparkle. And I did use the other layers that she released a couple months ago, and it has a few little hearts in there. I also added some gems on there. Really, really cute. Cake Wishes and Fairy Kisses. Thought that was perfect. And what I did was I just cut off the top part of that cake, and I put a little, like a little plate underneath there. And then added my little banner dies that she released this month. And of course I pulled out those little bows from last month. I'm telling you, those bows and those butterflies are perfect. Just add that little extra touch that you might need. And I love how this turned out. And then I made it a top folding card, and then there it goes. And that's how I did the inside of that. Love how that turned out. So those are the cards that I made for you today. Now let's jump into that mini album. And this is how my mini album looks. I tell you, I haven't done anything like this in years. So it was a little challenging for me, but I got it. I made it work. And so anyways, I added this bow, which I just wrapped the bow around several times, and then I just tied it. I put that together like that. And yeah, so I just wanted to add a little decorative edge to that. But anyways, check out those little girls in the cake. It's so sparkly. Love that. I did add a little bit of color with Copics to the icing just to kind of distinguish it from the paper in the back. So I thought that turned out really cute. I used some bows from the releases last month, and then what I did, I colored up the little halfback pearls with Copic markers. So remember, you can add the color to those and make it fit to whatever you're crafting with. And so here we go. This is 3.75 by 4.75 card-based layers, and I added the stickles on her. And I did pop that up so you can pop a picture underneath there. And I just added some tags there, as you can tell. And then this is where I used that crisscross die from there. And it worked out perfectly. I did take off that little corner so it could just fit perfectly there. And then there goes some more tags that I used right in there. And I forgot to show these, but let me get that die for you. So here are the tag dies, tag frame die layers and tag frame dies. I'm not sure if my all of the products that I use will be at the beginning or the end, but I know I didn't show these, so I did want to take the time to show you those. So, but here goes those tag dies that I used, and then I pulled out her little alphabet dies, so cute, and then all wrapped in birthday wishes, and then there was that little girl, and then I popped one on this side as well. So you can use this as where you can lay your pictures there. Really, really cute. And this layer actually came from the layers, from the waterfall layers, and I just turned it into a pocket. This right here, I just took this and just cut straight across there and just used it as a little bitty layer. And this was from the cute card scallop layers. So that's how I made that there, and just popped that down, and it was perfect. And then here goes the last page, and this is where you'll find the waterfall layers. I popped the little girl on top of there and put a magnet strip under there. And so I just alternated the colors here, back and forth. And there goes that. You can actually turn these into pockets if you wanted to, but that's how I made that. And I added one more layer here that I could put a picture of the little girl there. And then on the back side, I just finished it off with the paper and added that bunch of fun circles die there and put the little girl on there. Yes, so that is what I made for you this month for the release. Just want to tell Miss Emma, congratulations on 16 years and happy birthday to you. Oh gosh, and I have followed you the whole time. And so I am so thankful to be able to design for you, and I hope you have a fun time celebrating your birthday. Well, that's all I have for you. Make sure you come back tomorrow because I do have one more card to show you, and then just go over the release. If you'd like to use my code, it's MOE for 10% off your total purchase if you start today. However, tomorrow you'll get 15% off using that same code. That's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.